I am a turtle. I live in the forest. I am slow. I am very, very slow. In the forest, there is also a rabbit. He runs fast. He runs very, very fast. One day, the rabbit says to me, "I am fast. You are slow. Very, very slow." The rabbit laughs at me. Ha, ha, ha. I do not say anything. The next day, the rabbit says to me, "Turtle, I am fast. You are slow. I am better than you are." The rabbit laughs at me. Ha, ha, ha. I do not say anything. The next day, the rabbit says to me, "Look how slow you are. I am the fastest, and you are the slowest." The rabbit laughs at me. Ha, ha, ha. This time, I say something. "Rabbit, you are fast, and I am slow. I am slow, and you are fast. But you can still be beaten in a race," I say.